Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's the Discover Boss Rush here with another driving video. So today we're at Twin Gates Plaza halfway tree. We'll be doing a drive from halfway tree to Crossroads. So just letting you guys see what's happening, letting you guys see you know, the drive on the road, you know, especially persons that are abroad who haven't visited in a while. You guys can definitely see what Jamaica is looking like right now, what Kingston is looking like. And for this specific video, you know, I drive from halfway tree to Crossroad. If you're new to the channel, guys, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Trying to get to 6,000 subscribers by September 1st. So click that subscribe button. Also turn on your notification bell, so once I upload a new video, you'll definitely be notified. Also guys, like the video, leave a comment and share so that more persons can discover the channel, more persons can see the awesome content as well. Alright, so we're leaving Twin Gates Plaza, we're going on to Constant Spring Road, and then we head on to Crossroad. In front of us is the Mall Plaza, halfway tree. I haven't done a review of these plaza yet, but in the future I'll definitely, you know, give you guys a walking tour of these plazas. Alright, so we're in the middle of halfway tree. We have the transport center on the right. And we have Jamaica National on the left. Soon we'll be approaching the halfway tree clock. So this is a very, very busy area. I know during the Rona time, you know, less persons are on the road, most persons are working from home, school from home. But this is one of the most busiest place in Jamaica, in Kingston as well. So this is the main intersection in halfway tree. The second one is down by the clock. So this video is for, you know, everyone, those abroad that haven't been to Jamaica in a while, those in Jamaica that probably haven't been in halfway tree in a while, and even those that drive past every day. It's just a driving video. Alright, so we're passing the clock, iconic halfway tree clock, NCB on the left, and we have the popular York Pharmacy on the right. And then we have the Usain Bolt Tower on the left. I did a video on that as well. That's the Usain Bolt Tower, referred to as the 76 Tower. It's supposed, I think it's supposed to be a BPO space, so they're gonna transform it into a call center, a BPO. leads to Central Road. This other right turn coming up leads to Beechwood Avenue. So we just passed the popular Captain's Bakery and restaurant. Captain Horace Burrell that passed away, that's one of his companies. So we're now entering Crossroads area. On the right is State Mall, a very small mall complex. Alright, so we're approaching the Kariba cinema. It has been closed down for probably 2 months now due to COVID. So they are still closed. And this is where we're ending off the video. Crossroads, Carib Cinema, and the Crossroads area. And then this is the Crossroads bus stop. So definitely like, subscribe, and share, guys. And if you're new, join the family. Just press that subscribe and bell. And let's all help to make the channel, or take the channel to 6,000 subscribers by September 1st. We can do it. So see you on another video, guys.